Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry. I'm Mowers and Blows. Welcome to another video. As you know, I put up a new top on my 10x20 carport storage shed about 1.5 to 2 years ago. This is my third roof. They don't last very long, maybe a year, 1.5 years, especially with the brutal weather conditions here in the east coast of the US, New York to be exact. It's super cold in the winter and it's really hot in the summer. So with the UV rays, the top takes a beating. After about a year, it starts to dry and weather and get hard and crispy, and you can just take your finger, poke a hole right into that roof right now. I'm amazed that it didn't fall apart during the multiple snowstorms that we had this year. As you can see, it's already trashed. It flaps in the wind. It needs to come down. That's why my occasional sponsor, Vivor, has sent me a new top. This time I requested a white one because white reflects the sun better than any other color. So hopefully this will last more than a year. So it's gonna take a while. I have to remove the old one with my ladder and then put the new one on by myself. That's it. 10x20 top, replacement top for the 10x20 carport storage shed. Comes with a ton of bungee cords. These are very useful. Basically, you need no tools. All you need are the bungee cords. And unless you're 10 feet tall, a ladder. So we'll get started by taking the old one off. All the bungee cords are removed from the top. Rivet holes on the side. So theoretically now the whole top should just come right off. You know, I could still use this tarp. In the future, when something else goes bad, I could still use that. This side actually looks yellower than that side because this side was facing the sun. You see how that one's still somewhat preserved because it was facing away from the sun? I'm gonna cut those long things at the end, the corners, and just save the middle tarp. I know I'll use it someday. So this is going to be tough doing it by myself because that is super tall, right? And I have to just unfold it so that it's just one piece and then slowly use a ladder here, 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 here. Use my hands and put it over. Once I get the corners down, I can start bungee cording it. It's tough when you do it by yourself. You should have like a helper or a friend or something with another ladder, ideally. But as you guys know, I try to do things myself. I see it as a challenge. That was tough, but it went exactly as I planned it. It worked out perfectly, better than I expected, actually. Hopefully the white will last longer because it reflects the sun a little bit better than beige or yellow or taupe or green or any darker color. Reinforce some of the bungee cords by doing double. I have leftover bungee cord. I'm going to hang it here because these things are very useful. The sides don't wear out as fast. Especially this one over here is not facing the sun at all. So this one should last quite a long time. This one is on its way out. I may need sides eventually. Hopefully my friends over at Vivor will help me out with that. So yeah, worked out great. I only used the ladder like twice because I was just climbing on my equipment to get the sides. It's kind of useful to have equipment on the side of your shed so you can just climb on it and you don't need the ladder. But you needed the ladder to get all the way to the very top over there. That was tough. But yeah, just put it over the bars as I went along, and everything worked out fantastic. Stokage. So yeah, I have the Blue Bayou that's used as a place to put stuff. And I've got my 2 snow blowers here that have been winterized, or sorry, summerized. Got my Z Master that I may whip out in about a month or so. 616Z 0 turn. Can get this going too eventually. My motorcycle, I want to get that going in the summer as well. I think I may need to bleed the brakes, and cargo carrier's all cracked up too. Dropped it. Need a new cargo carrier. And hopefully I'll sell some of these damn tractors, man. I got so many of them. Well, at least I got a nice new top now, thanks to my friends over at Vivor. So yeah, the tops don't last forever. Maybe a season or two, depending on the environment that you're in, and also maybe 3 seasons on the sides, depending on if you have full sunshine with the UV rays going on it all the time. If you live in a shaded area, this whole shed may last you 5 years. Remember, the frame itself pretty much will last forever. You just have to change the top or the sides eventually. It's good to know that Vivor has these sides that you can buy replacement ones and not have to buy an entirely new shed. This shed I've had for about 5 years. I've changed the top 3 times, changed the sides twice. As long as Vivor still has replacement panels, I'll keep getting them and have this shed continuously working for me forever. If you guys would like to have some replacement panels for your shed, I'll leave links in the description. They've got all different kinds of sizes of sheds, even bigger than this one, with replacement panels available for you anytime you need it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so I can continue to bring you these product review content like this one. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
On Mowers and Blowers.